Hey guys, today we're going to install some clip-ins from CurlsQueen, so stay tuned to see how I did this hairstyle. So today I'm going to be using some clip-ins from CurlsQueen, and I just had to take a moment to look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. They send you some free goodies in the bag. Comes with a brush, some extra clips if your clips fall off or something, a bonnet, and the packaging that the clip-ins come in is so pretty. It's a nice pretty pink. It's so silky, so soft, and it's a reusable bag that you can just put your clip-ins back in when you're finished using them in your head. So I got one pack of Kinky blowout clip-ins. This is like Kinky straight. It's supposed to mimic our hair, so it has a little texture. And this is one pack of clip-ins right here. These are traditional clip-ins, so it has a weft on it, but it's a very thin weft, so it's not bulky at all. It's very thick, the hair on the clip-ins, and it comes with about 9 clip-ins in that one bundle. It's double wefted and double drawn, so it's full from top to end, and it's also Brazilian hair. So the way I'm going to install this today, I'm going to do a flip over method. So I'm going to leave the front of my hair out, and then I'm going to put some braids in the back of my hair. Now with clip-ins, you can blend them into your hair. You can braid most of your hair down and clip them on top. It's whatever you prefer, but for this specific type of flip over method, I'm going to leave the front of my hair out and then put like some little dookie braids in the back. So after I got my little braids done, you can put smaller braids or bigger braids, however you want to do it, but this works for me and my little head size. So it was easier for me to put the clip-ins on the mannequin head and just go ahead and pre-curl them. Now you can do them in your hair and curl them while they're in your hair, but my arms would have been tired doing some wand curls. So it's easier for me because I don't really do wand curls like that, and I'm not the best at wand curls, to do it on a mannequin head. So that's how I chose to do it. It's just easier to do this way. And you can see how full and thick and pretty those wand curls came out. I was impressed with my wand curls. I used a 1-inch wand curl. It gets smaller at the tip. So yeah, that's what I did. So to prep my hair in the front, I went ahead and hot combed my hair because my hair is not relaxed or anything like that. Now, you don't have to put any heat to your hair if you don't want to. You can naturally style it, but for this particular style, I'm going to put some heat to it, and I'm going to curl my hair to blend in with the clip-ins. I'm also curling my hair in the direction that I want my flip over to flip to as well. Once I got those curls done, I started with the clip-ins that had 5 clips on them, and then went to the ones that had 4, then 3, and when I got to the top, I saved the 2. So this was easy to clip in. Like, even though my braids are big, my hair was, you know, pretty soft, so it was very easy to clip in. They don't hurt, it's not hard. You can clip them in as loose or as tight as you want, but they were like a nice, perfect clip for me. Like, not rough at all, not damaging or pulling on my hair or anything like that. So once I got to the top, I left like a little bit of a gap at the top because the rest of the clips, I'm going to put them in vertical. So how you do a flip over method is you put the clips in the opposite direction that you want to flip the hair. So that's going to give you the volume in the front for your flip over method because there's no part. So whatever way you want to flip your hair, you're going to put the clips in the opposite way. So since I'm flipping my hair to that side, I'm going to lay my clip-ins going in the opposite direction, and I'm going to lay them vertical this time because that's what's going to give me the height on here. So I put about 3 clip-ins up the top to give me that coverage that I need, and that would pretty much work. Once I got those clip-ins in, I ended up just putting some wand curls up the top because I wanted to see, I didn't want to mess up the curls trying to figure out how I was going to put the top part in, so I waited and just wand curled the top once I put the clips in the top. Once I finished it, I went ahead and just flipped it over to the other side and just blended my hair in a little bit more. I left my little gray patch out because y'all be kicking my butt if I put anything on this gray patch. So I left this gray patch out. I'm also going to do my edges in this as well. And this is how it came out. It's very thick, very full. I was actually surprised for this to be 1 pack of clip-ins, how thick and full this was. Like, look how full it is in the bag. So this is the finished look. It's nice, it's fluffy, it's a lot going on. This is giving like event or going out somewhere, and I'm going absolutely nowhere. Like, but this is really cute. This, if you like this type of look, and of course it's gonna fall into like more of a wave and stuff like that, but if you like this type of like nice fluffy hair, this is really good for 1 pack of clip-ins. Like, it's nice, it's full, it curled, the curls are holding, it's thick in the back like this. Look how full it is for 1 pack of clip-ins. Like, that's a lot. Like, I'm gonna leave the links below so that you can check out CurlsQueen. I'm gonna leave y'all a little discount code too as well. They have other textures as well, not just kinky straight. They have silky straight, they got kinky curly, they got all kinds of textures with the clip-ins. These were some really good, nice, thick clip-ins if you're looking for clip-ins. So I'm gonna leave the link so that you can check them out. And look, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Leave a comment or a question. What do y'all think about this hairstyle? Would you rock it? Do you like clip-ins? Like, how do you feel about it? Do you feel like this would be easy to do or what? Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see y'all later.